SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication Company, Limited. SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication, starting with switch maintenance, is the largest telecommunication equipment after sales service company in Korea that can maintain about 4,000 wired and wireless communication equipment based on repair know-how and technology such as terminals, transmission equipment, and switches. Established in 1998, SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication developed a two-way wireless communication device WiWi through the establishment of its own research institute in 2003, based on know-how in maintaining wired and wireless communication equipment. Registered as venture business in 2004, registered as information and telecommunication business in 2005, designated as promising export small and medium business in 2011, WiWi, selected as the pilot item of the best commercial product by the Ministry of Defense in 2015, and it acquired the family-friendly company certification. The main business of SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication is in charge of testing and repairing mobile and wired communication equipment. And major customers include Samsung Electronics, Ericsson, LG, KT, LG U+, SK Broadband, and Enel Communication. Mobile communication is a method of wirelessly communicating voice, data, video, etc. regardless of location while a user is moving freely. Representatively, we have performed the maintenance works for the third-generation mobile communications equipment, WCDMA, fourth-generation mobile communication equipment, LTE, and WiMAX equipment operated by SKT, KT, and LG U+, and the main repairable items are RRH, DU, and repeaters. In addition, the wired communication is a method for transmitting the information converted into electrical or optical signals by the transmission media using communication lines such as pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cables as transmission media. Representative equipment includes switches, hubs, transmissions, and switches, etc. Major repairable items include L2, L3 switch, IPv-DSL, FLC, ILCS, and PABX, etc.
저희 세영정보통신은 20여 명의 숙련된 수리기사들의 기술력을 바탕으로 시험 및 수리를 진행하며 불량률 분석 및 개선 등의 품질 관리를 통해 고객이 만족할 수 있도록 최고의 서비스를 제공하고 있습니다.
Wireless intercom WiWi. As a wireless communication device that can communicate in both directions, it's developed by our research institute to compensate for the problems of the existing heavy and uncomfortable analog radio. The key features of WiWi are, firstly, the biggest advantage is usable regardless of transmitter and receiver. Supporting two-way communication, the real-time conversations with up to 6 people are possible. Secondly, the noise-canceling function suppresses white noise and ambient noise. It provides clearer sound quality regardless of machine noise or speech sound. Thirdly, you can use wireless earphones with Bluetooth 5.2. With ergonomic design, it is easy to wear for a long time. Fourthly, installing additional wired repeater makes it possible for the interlayer communication support and communication distance extension. Fifthly, it can be used in various fields such as sports, simultaneous interpretation, tour guide, broadcasting and communication, industrial sites, and military training, etc., and it provides customized software according to a user's purpose. WiWi has been certified in South Korea, Europe, the United States, Japan, and China, and it is loved not only in Korea but also abroad. It is recognized for its technology by preoccupying the Japanese market, which puts quality first, and it is expanding its influence in markets such as Europe, Asia, and the United States.
고객사와의 긴밀한 협력을 바탕으로 다양한 통신 환경에 따른 맞춤 솔루션을 제공하여 소비자들의 만족도를 최우선으로 여기고 있습니다. 끊임없는 연구개발과 고객과의 파트너십을 바탕으로 전 세계적으로 인정받는 위기가 되는 것이 목표입니다.
SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication is together with the future of national defense. We are in charge of R&D of localization development of components driven by logistics commands of each Army, Navy, and Air Force and maintenance development of overseas maintenance products, and outsourcing repairs and maintenance for overseas maintenance products. As components localization development in the operation maintenance stage, the localization development is developing and producing components, combinations, and parts in Korea that are supplied by foreign capital purchase among parts of equipment and material with completed force integration. We began submarine telescopic parts development for the Navy, completed a reliability test within a year, and succeeded its development. And we have had numerous development and maintenance results such as development success of amplifier for HF communication, 2 cases of components maintenance development of submarine torpedo, and DDH-977, DDH-971 due to TACAN maintenance, which is a tactical aerial navigation system used for aircraft guidance in a ship. We hope to expand all of the reserve divisions so that we can efficiently manage the manual receipt and return of guns during the Reserve Army training by developing the Reserve Army Informatization Gun Management System program using RFID and supplying it to several reserve divisions. In addition, wireless intercom, WiWi was selected 3 times as the pilot item of excellent commercial products hosted by the Ministry of National Defense and delivered more than 1,000 units for controlling the shooting range for reserve forces training, and recognized its technology. In August 2022, we received an order for new product development project with purchase conditions, and we plan to deliver wireless headsets for tracked vehicles of the scale of $20 million with a midterm plan of 6 years.
세영정보통신은 고기도 암호화가 적용된 무선 인터콤 개발을 통해 군 무전기 통신을 대체할 것이며 부품 국산화 개발, 정기 개발을 지속하여 군 전력 손실을 최소화하고 국가 경제 및 기술 개발에 기여할 것입니다.
A company that receives trust from customers. A company where all executives and employees work excitedly. That is the company pursued by SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication Company, Limited. We will become a global communication equipment company recognized for our highest expertise and differentiated service value from our customers worldwide. SEYOUNG Information and Telecommunication Company, Limited.